So this is Kyle, Metro 57. When you have a fire damaged or a catastrophe damaged type of building, you are ultimately waiting for the insurance company and the fire marshal to let them do stuff on the building. All you're trying to do is keep it safe so tenants can't go back in. So I'm going to explain you some stuff that we've done here. So you'll notice up here, you've got the fire damaged area that nobody's going back in there for their stuff because it's ruined. At least that's the assumption. You know, the roof's gone, you can see the sky, that unit's burned. But this unit down below, you can still get into it and their stuff is probably smoke damage, but maybe not fire damage. And people will actually break into that, go in and grab their daughter's toys or whatever, the box of gold they left in there, and we have to keep them out. So we have got this whole property, we've walked this building, and wherever we feel like they're gonna try to break in, we're sealing this up, and this is not super long-term, it's temporary. It is just here to keep out the little bit of damage, the guy who wants to come in, not the really, I mean, if it's a thief, he's gonna get in, they can get in this in 5 minutes. It's just a temporary thing, but this is the type of thing we do for our client, and we got all this done in the first couple of days after the accident, keeping it safe for them. Eventually this whole building gets torn down, so we'll see how that goes in the coming months. Waiting for the insurance company to get back to them and tell them what the future is and how they're gonna handle that. So, love to help. I've been in the business for 10 years. Metro 57, Dallas, Fort Worth. Give me a call if I can help.